I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is JetFormBuilder. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to JetFormBuilder Dashboard. Hover on your form and click on Edit. Now click on Setting. Then click on Post Submit Action under JetForm. Select Call Webhook. Click Edit Action icon. And paste here the webhook URL. Click Update. Now update the form. Now go to your form and fill in the form to fetch data. Submitted. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard. And here you can see data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Gravitec. Give here your site URL. Also, give here the app key and app secret key. So go to the Gravitec dashboard. Setting. REST API. Now copy the app key and app secret, then paste it on the integrations site. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your form. Submit it. Go to the Gravitec site and navigate to the campaign history. Here, the notification data came into the campaign history successfully. Also, the browser notification showed me that I had successfully. Thanks for watching.